Hey guys, today is Wednesday, September 23rd. Let's take a look at the market today. Nasdaq dipped pretty quick during the day, but now it has been it's been kind of recovering um, after hour, and it seems the market has stabilized. It looks to me that obviously I've been expecting the market to dip further down, but it seems that today we'll see about action tomorrow. If tomorrow we can continue to go down, that would be indication of continued weakness in the market. But it seems the market is pretty resilient, to be honest, right? Because we came up, we dipped down, and we are bouncing again. And a lot of these stocks in the market are actually quite stable, in my opinion. So for example, Tesla right now is exhibiting kind of a similar pattern as the S&P 500 ES out here, where the S&P 500 had a very similar kind of a consolidation pattern, a continuation pattern during June, which I really remember vividly, where it dips down, right? It came up again and it consolidated and dips down again. You can see the Tesla is making a exact same move. Whether history is going to repeat that quick, I highly doubt it. But it looks to me that if we think this is a continuation kind of pattern here, and Tesla could be continue its run after this shakeout, to be honest. And the thing is, I got a email from my broker today that my broker is raising its margin requirement because the upcoming election and because of elevated option activities in the market, and my broker decided to increase the margin requirement to reduce its own risk on its books, right? Whenever broker increase the margin requirement when the market is already down, usually not because they want to protect their clients, usually because they want to protect themselves. It seems that the reason they are increasing margin requirement usually because they're a lot of their existing clients are actually being liquidated, right? The brokers can see the balance of all their clients, and they can detect if a lot of people are being liquidated due to the downturn, and that probably is the case right now. Like a lot of these, some of the stock, like highly speculative ones, are kind of being decimated from its all-time high. But for Tesla and all the other stuff, they're still, they are down from the all-time high, but they are up from the previous support level, right? So I don't see any concerns right now because this kind of consolidation pattern could definitely happen, right? For Tesla and for the other ones. But we have to see. We have to wait and see what's going to happen. Okay. Other than that, I don't have much to say. Cryptocurrency today also took a huge hit. You can see the Ethereum took a huge hit. It came down. Maybe it found a support here. We don't know. Maybe that's the support, and we're going to bounce back above 392 level and retest the 400, or we can continue to go down even further, which I think right now is not really likely because. Just because I think there's a lot of buyers waiting to buy a 200 level, and I think this market could. Right now, we don't have a liquidity issue. I think we could kind of bounce around at this level. In the meantime, plus we have this retracement is about 35%. Even if we retrace down to here, it's about 48%. It's happened before. It's happened before, obviously, but this one was 46%, right? If it is doing this, it should have already happened by now, but it hasn't. So it seems that we could be bouncing again to a higher level, to 400 something, and then we'll see about what's going to happen next. I gotta say, this pattern right now for Ethereum, the market structure is really kind of messy. It's really hard to tell. It's not clear to me anymore that, right now it's just retesting the previous high from this major kind of support level right now. You can see that. And I just don't think we're gonna break it below that. Because there are just a lot of, right now we're just at a very critical level, right? If you look at this critical range in Ethereum, you can see that. It just, I think we're going to be bouncing around for a while, consolidates for a long time. And maybe we're going to dip a little bit further down below, but it's going to be very temporary. Then we're going to break above again. But if you look at, the S&P 500, this particular pattern is a continuation pattern. We could be just bouncing around here, then could just continue going up. It's really, really difficult to say what's going to happen to Ethereum. Okay. And that's all I want to talk about right now. And see you next time. That's it.